Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to mix a Honolulu Punch. Now, this is going to be a lot like your other punch drinks with a lot of different ingredients, so pay close attention. We're going to start by filling our highball glass up with ice, and then from there, we're going to mix equal parts of amaretto, Southern Comfort, and 151 rum. So we're going to do an ounce each or a 4 count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we already got the 151, which is really strong rum, our dark rum, which is a spiced rum, and amaretto, which is an almond flavor liqueur. From there, we're going to mix in some pineapple juice and some orange juice, equal parts. And we're going to top it off with a splash of grenadine for color and a little bit of that cherry pomegranate syrup flavor. From there, we're going to get our highball glass ready. And we're going to roll all of the ingredients into our mixing tin, shake it, and then roll it right back into our highball. Don't forget a straw, and that's how you make a Honolulu Punch. Enjoy.